How to follow someone on Oculus. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So after you have downloaded your MetaQuest application, that is your Oculus app, just launch it and make sure that you have created your profile here. Now tap on the hamburger icon which says menu on the bottom right corner here. Now tap on the option that says people. Now over here, if you have your contacts added, then you can add them. If not, just tap on search for people right here. Okay, now search for the name of the person that you want to add or follow. Okay, now tap on the profile of the person that you want to follow right here. Okay, now you can see the option of follow in blue. Just tap on it. Now you can see that you have successfully followed this person. So that was it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and subscribe.